Mean. Mean is also known as the average. So to find the average, we add the values together, then divide them by the number of values in the set. In the problems that'll be on the quiz, or most of the problems, there will be a checksum down at the bottom. And this checksum is the total of all the numbers in that spreadsheet of information. So the checksum for all of these numbers is 1,444. That's the total of them all. So the only thing we really need to do is figure out how many numbers are in the spreadsheet. You could count them up all one at a time if you wanted. Otherwise, you could note that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 in a column. I have 3 columns. 16 times 3 is 48. So the sum of them is 1,444, and I'm going to divide that by 48 numbers in this spreadsheet here. So I go ahead and divide that out, and I get 30.083 with the 3 repeating. In the quiz again, watch what it'll tell you to round to. When it says round to the tenths, that's one place. The hundreds is 2, the thousands is 3. So pay attention to that in your directions, because I notice that some of you have to take quizzes several times just because of the rounding. So just make sure you're reading those directions and watching that. All right, median. Median is the middle number of a set of data that has been written in numerical order. So luckily for us, Caitlin put the numbers in order already. If they weren't in order, you would have to do that first. If there is no distinct middle, then the mean of the two middle numbers is the median. So in our case, we do have an even set of numbers. We have 48 of them. So we will not have one number left in the end. We'll have two of them. So what the first thing we're going to do is cross off our low and high numbers. So the 1's off, the 76 is off. And then we're going to continue the process. So we cross off 5 and 59, 7 and 55. So here's a whole bunch of them crossed off. And now I'm down to 22 and 35. So I'm going to keep going. One at the 20, I'll take one off the low end and one off the high end. And I'll keep doing that until I end up with these two 29s left here. So we need to find the middle of the two 29s. Hopefully you can tell me that it's just 29. But in the event that the two numbers were different, we would find the mean of these two numbers. And to find the mean again, you add them up and divide by the number that there are. There's two of them. So this will be 58 divided by 2, and we should get our 29. So the median is 29.